It's Monday, May 2nd. This area here has been filled in over the weekend by the excavator. This is where the house stood at one point. That's the tractor that exploded, which caused the fire. They've done a lot of cleanup over the weekend, preparing to lay the foundation for the milking parlor, which then they'll be able to get the cows home. They're working on the area where the barn once stood now and cleaning up that. They have brought a dumpster in to remove any debris that can't be taken care of here. Also over the weekend they brought the sawmill over and he will be milling his wood here now. Just wanted to give you a quick update, and I will do another one here in a couple days.